Do you want a career that is full of variety and involves helping the environment, developing new ideas, problem solving, using technical skills, and it could also involve working indoors or outside anywhere in the world? Do you want a career where the earning potential is good? Well, the energy industry offers a range of exciting jobs and careers that might be the ideal for you. The energy industry in the UK alone employs around 135,000 people, and there are approximately another 500,000 workers whose jobs support the industry. It's an area that continues to make rapid technological advances and can offer exciting prospects to the most highly skilled and qualified engineers, scientists and technicians. It's predicted that the renewable energy industry will become one of the fastest growing sectors in the economy over the coming years, with estimates of at least 35,000 new jobs being created. The energy industry employs people with a wide range of qualifications, and those that are in the most demand will be the people with science and engineering-based qualifications. There are different routes into the energy industry. You may wish to consider staying in education full-time and taking the relevant A-levels, or a vocational course to gain further qualifications, or going straight into work and training through an apprenticeship. At any level, it's important that you aim for the highest grades you can achieve. At GCSE, grades A to C in maths, English and science are important.
We're an energy supplier. It's all mobile applications using battery systems. Because batteries are used in everything, we work in defence, automotive for electric and hybrid vehicles, we work in industrial applications and in marine as well. Finding new staff is incredibly difficult for us in the technical department. What we're doing is new technology. We can't go to a university and find battery technicians. They just don't make them yet. So the apprenticeship scheme is absolutely vital for us to grow our business. The whole scheme itself is geared towards teaching them the core skills that they need, and we can put our layer of technology and understanding over the top of that. So in 3 years' time we have a fully trained battery technician that is a real asset to the business. The core skills we look for in an apprentice is that they have, should we say, reasonable social skills. They can get on with their peers and they can get on with the management around them as well. It is something you just expect in society. You need to be polite and courteous towards the other members of staff. And then beyond that, we're going to be teaching them everything else. The energy sector as ours is very exciting at the moment. We're working in with the automotive industry, developing battery systems for electric and hybrid vehicles, several of which do get mentioned in the press quite often, and it's really nice to see these vehicles out on the road and knowing that we've been a part of that. The sector itself is growing so fast. It really is amazing. I mean, if you think about the technology growth that has been in internal combustion engines, we've had 120 years of development. We've had maybe 10, 15 years development of electric vehicles, so the next 50 years is going to be amazing. Day to day is incredibly varied. You could be designing something in the morning, finding a supplier for that part in the afternoon, and within a week you're actually building a system into those parts you've designed. In technology and the development of the technologies used, there are amazing opportunities in chemistry, in electronics, and a lot of times in simulation, software, understanding how a product will interrelate with another in a vehicle and with a particular duty cycle. Those analysis tools are very key to the large auto manufacturers that are developing vehicles. There is no limits on this sector. The energy sector is by far the strongest sector in today's economy. We speak with potential investors all the time, and their focus is on this sector. They don't see anywhere else with growth potential. So that if the money people are taking that attitude, then definitely there is going to be jobs in those sectors. In terms of how do people get into the sector, well, you need to have an aptitude for it to start with if you want to be successful. The apprenticeship scheme is the ideal way for young people to get into the industry.
Salaries within the energy industry are wide-ranging depending on experience and your qualifications. The average graduate starts at around £20,000 to £25,000. Salaries in certain industries, such as energy engineering, can exceed £50,000. The energy industry can offer an exciting career with opportunities and prospects, whether you want to continue in learning or undertake an apprenticeship. If you feel that a career in the energy industry is the right choice for you, don't wait. Find out more and plan your future.